It hasn't touched me yet. Good morning, guys. We are at Sheets getting coffee. I'll show you what time it is here in a minute.
It's too freaking early.
It's 5:01 in the morning, guys, and we are on our way.
Late.
To where? The beach. Just a breakdown. Daylight is about to come up. That's pretty. Babe, I don't think I'm allowed to be here.
Yeah.
Sun's out, guys. Delaware Water Gap Bridge.
It's a bridge.
It's a bridge. Yay. But it crosses us into New Jersey. I don't think I can see over there, really.
Oh, maybe not.
By the smoke, I think someone just either slammed on their brakes or
Blew an engine, maybe. I don't know.
or an accident.
I'm not. No accident.
Drawbridge, guys. So far, we're going across. And this is the bay we shot across last year in the boat at 90 mile an hour, coming back from a thunderstorm. Guys, we have made it. Ugh, sand. It hasn't touched me yet. In the ocean, pretty. Oh my God! Oh, yeah, I don't know how much I'm going to be in here today. That was nice. Brace is soaked. Aww. We seriously got beat up.
Yes, we did. Hi.
The ocean is. It's not real rough, but it's enough once it gets you
right there where it breaks.
right where it's breaking. It'll take you down, and then it'll just put sand in places you don't want it.
Sand, water, you know.
Water doesn't matter so much as sand. Airwolf's going by. Sure, I had the microphone covered. You might not even be able to hear me. That's how bad the wind is. You ready?
Ted said, make sure that.
What's doing, Mr. Siegel? You guys probably cannot hear me at all. That has got to be a 30 mile an hour wind. Trying to fly, they can't. Walk around there somewhere. There he is. They're kind of like beach pigeons, basically what they are. They're dirty birds. He's prancing. He's prancing. I dare you to go in the ocean, buddy.
I don't do that.
We didn't find any sharks when we were in there yet. We are getting invaded by water. Waves are getting, it's very windy and the waves are starting to get a little rough, so it's time to go back out in the ocean. Well, we have become hungry too. It's almost 1 o'clock. We were in the ocean for a good 20 minutes, I think, solid, and then we went back to the car just now, found out that Kayla has sand in places that you don't want to have sand ever.
It's everywhere, guys.
Yeah.
Not to be descriptive, but everywhere.
Yeah, just figure everywhere.
Right.
So, we're going to try to find ourselves some yummy food, then go back up for a little bit, jump in, and my aunt came up, so we're going to go over and get a shower before we go out tonight. We're going to do the boardwalk. We might do go-karts if they're running. We're not sure that they're running, though. My aunt wasn't sure, so hopefully they are. And then we're going to go see my cousin play about 45 minutes away tonight. Lifespeed is playing. So, one delicious looking stromboli, shrimp parmesan sub. That's unique. Not too bad. Is it okay, babe? End up at Seaside Heights, don't come to this place. They rip you off. This beautiful one here ordered stromboli, and it was $1 extra on the menu for
Like the meats, like inside the stromboli, like pepperoni, sausage, meatballs. Got the bill, $2.85 for them, plus 75 cents for the sauce. Did I ask for the sauce? No, I did not.
And that
Bullshit.
And My shrimp parmesan, I honestly was could have come out probably 5 minutes sooner because it was well overcooked. Well, guys, we're all showered and cleaned up. I feel much better. And the sun is trying to come out now. Mm-hmm. Now we're just trying to make our dinner plans. We're just gonna hit to the boardwalk and see what's what up there, food-wise, because these places around here are just ridiculous. Sadly, guys, no boat ride this year. There's no boat. Right? Alright, let's not drop you in the bay. Samsung might be waterproof, but does not float. Kayla floats.
I was like, why? It's waterproof.
And, right? My uncle actually leveled this place. They're going to build a new house. Maybe he'll rent to us for cheap one time. Yeah. My cousin rented this house one year. $45,000 for the summer. Not really worth it. Yeah, for a little cottage. It's about this, maybe bigger than ours. Might not be. Mine. I think we're going to take this construction over. This has been like this for quite a while, as far as I remember.
You see the water slides?
Hey, there's the water slides. We got to go get to them to get to the car.
Dinner was better this time.
Yes, it was.
I had fish and chips.
Shut up.
Right.
Obnoxious car alarm.
And you had steak. We kind of flip-flopped. He was going to get seafood, but I got fish and he got steak. So
It was good.
well, it's better than earlier.
But her drink hurt her stomach, so I drank it and mine. I will say they were both on just barely able to walk.
Me too.
You had a sip.
This is my feet.
Not gonna lie.
Okay, slow
Hi,
down.
Mr. Officer. Well, as you can tell, it does not stop at all. Coming in again. It never stops. So, a little frustrated with go-karts. I don't know about this one. You got spun out and left there.
I got spun out and left there for a while, but I ended up using it regardless, but still.
Either I'm way overweight or had a really slow car, one of the two. But I couldn't do anything with it. It sucks because I really love doing that. But at $9 a race.
Yeah, that's a little ridiculous. I mean, we went around like a good time, don't get me wrong.
Considering as many times you crashed, they did let us actually race once they got the little girl that was crying off. I felt bad for her. But I don't know why someone that little was actually out there by themselves, because I don't think they're supposed to be.
Yeah.
It had to be like 54 inches, and she didn't look like 54 inches. We're about to head back to my aunt's. We get hanging out, relax a little bit, and then we're going to go see my cousin play. About 45 minutes away from here. I guess my other cousin in Roswell's going too, so. Let me check it if you want, but there's no way you're going to be on that ride. Pretty sure they're just bringing it down for the other person to get off.
What do you say?
Want to get on there? No thanks.
Yeah, we're good.
I'm fantastic on the ground.
I'd like to keep the food I just ate.
I really can't proportion that, but that's got to be 100 feet, 50 feet on each side.
Yeah.
It's got to be. And you're rotating on top of that? Oh, I'd be throwing up right now so bad.
I don't need to be anything other than a specialist son. Well, I don't need to be anything other than a brother to souls in one. sing but not like. Yeah, I should have taken you ever dreamed you could be. Little pieces of nothing. I met this girl late last week. She said, "Don't you wear it to sleep?" Told her I was there looking for another mistake. And no damn thing I can trouble me. Then I told back in a week later with her. Like she was only looking for another mistake.
I think I found Einstein, guys.
It's the birthday boy or girl. We're still not sure as which one you really are. The Adam's apple and the teens. Maybe we should finish that. There you go, she's a girl. Now we made that in the nicest way possible. This is Iris. Can you say happy birthday to Iris? She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry. the city. Just so I sing along. Kiss myself. 2, 3, 4. Too hot. For the police, the fireman. Too hot. Make a dragon one retirement. Too hot. She said, "What you feel about? Keep your eyes on me. Take a moment back. She's a child, baby. This world is my destiny." She said, "Jump, jump, jump, jump." Can't keep it together, but the breeze is setting and I was wrong. I didn't even want to die. That's what I did. Let's go! If I could find you now, it's worth it. Leave this town, rock forever. I'm just imagining the airports and things like that. So don't you remember the airports and things like that. So hard, break a day. We'll be sleeping in, we'll be sleeping on the road.
Fun day. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And thumb up if you like this video. See you tomorrow. Good night.
Hold me close and